Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial I'm going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can apply an outline effect to your text on text boxes on Google Slides really quickly. So drop a like and now let's get started. So there's actually one simple trick you may apply here, guys. Let's say, for example, you have a text box like this here with that text. So what you want to do in the first step is select the text box with your left mouse. And after that, you will see that option here at the end of these tabs here at the right hand, format options. So click on it. After that, make sure that you select and expand the drop shadow effect here. After that, select your outline color here by clicking on it on that color box or color circle. Let me go, for example, with a black outline. And on the final step, play around with the opacity here, for example, by decreasing or increasing it. So that the outline effect may be increased or decreased, just like that. So guys, that's basically it. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.